Is that the same truck with a valve horn? Yeah. Yeah. Awesome truck horn, but is there any way you can fix that? It's valved. That was a Grover 1609, guys. Not a VM full tone. So. Please on. Thank you, Enter 12. Yeah, the other time I filmed them to honk for me was not that bad. They didn't want to, but it did hurt my ears a bit, but I'm wearing my earplugs, so sometimes it does. Fire trucks are loud. Also, my ears! Oh. That's not good. This is Grover's 2000 and Grover 2001 in gold form, guys. So, definitely thought that was a Hadley H2101 and Hadley H2102 on a Kenworth. Oh yeah. It looks like a SWAT truck, but it's just some type of working community. I think that's a VM Jericho Air. Huh? Huh? No. Huh? I didn't.
You did?
I didn't. I was here filming your fire truck. Okay. Of course. It's my mistake. I didn't even know where they're going. They're looking for a person down. They thought I'd call, but I was filming, so I just let them know. Go their fire truck, so I know I shouldn't have done that because firemen. That's kind of a dumb thing because I thought they were responding to your place. Of course they are, but they just saw me there and there. They thought that I called, but they were looking for a person down. So. Yeah, that's it. Well, he cannot hug. Here's an international Girl Star garbage truck. Okay. He almost missed it, but that's a learning process. So it does have a Hadley H293 AS instead of a new Star S26154 with 10 streets. See what I mean? As the 21's horns are not in good shape. And I did miss it a little bit, but no worries. It's just an engine twin ones. Their horns are bigger but not in good shape. So it probably needs a little bit of work. Yes, sir. Why can't you take care of those air horns, bro? There's a lot of air horns getting fouled on old trucks, though. Like, I don't care if it goes miles. Like, this is so old. Average Express. Yeah, Hadley 864 RP. Oh crap. There's a dragonfly just crossed. It went near me. You got air horns? Oh yeah. Officer, why doesn't this SWAT truck have air horns? Holy crap. Trust me, it's gonna be loud. Oh. Yeah, thank you for reminding me, Dad. They just did fake one because they just found out how loud this fire truck is. Yeah, heavy rescue 14 is the loudest. Here we have is extra trucking. Who's this, man? Trucking. You just have dump truck with the Valley influence here. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. There's Advance for 4,000. Engine 21, the 2009 Rosenbauer apparatus is so loud. Yep. As you could hear what it echoed through, yeah, engine 21's air horns are not in good shape, so that's why it became louder. Except the engine 34, it's kind of like the Norwood engine 282, but it's from a different year. So yeah, different air horns, different shape from different ages. Alright, here you have a Hadley Rover 1600 on GMC. Yeah, one bell was stand up, but nevertheless, still good. Here we have the same truck with without air horn Rover 1600. Don't ever buy any more of unreliable trucks. Truckers, they don't go well. Their air horns will start to get bad. They are not efficient at all. Just like that International, even though they're cool. Where's Industries? Where's the Waterworks? Possible company. Where's Industries? Oh yeah. Not as loud as you think for me because I'm wearing earplugs, but shit, that's not art from Mars. Okay, you're in concrete. I'm ready for you. Yeah. Video LT. On the Terex Advance FD 4000. Hadley H290 AS. Yeah. And a good peace sign. Yeah. Of course it's not a no-size load truck, but depends on what kind of truck it is. Okay. Here's the Mack. That's Hadley H2001A. That's the manufacturer of an air horn for Mack and the Freightliner. The reason why I'm standing there is because they replaced the bench right over there, so I'm just gonna be sitting over there right now. So just for legal reasons, I hope they're gonna make a new bench over there. I don't know why, but I was a little angry, but anyway. W at British Centuries, air horn on the position. Hey. Yeah guys, it is a Hadley H2102A. The one just lost a cover shield, so, but nevertheless, it's still good. Here's this truck. That's definitely a Hadley H970A. Yeah, definitely a Hadley H290A, yes. Yeah, British Industries, Loudest box truck.